So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can check the Wi-Fi passwords of the connected Wi-Fi that you have been already connected on your device. So all you need to do is to just simply go to the Wi-Fi settings, and the Wi-Fi that you have been connected is going to be visible on the top of the list. Here on this Wi-Fi name, here you're going to see this button of I. Just simply click over there, and here you're going to find this option of Wi-Fi QR code. Just simply press it. Now here it is going to be asking for the verification. Once you are done with the verification, here you're going to see the QR code. Just simply take the screenshot of this QR code. Now when you take the screenshot of the QR code and scan this QR code via any of the source like Google Lens or something, let's say here when I scan this, now you're gonna see that the QR code has been scanned, and here the Wi-Fi password has been visible to me in this QR code. So by this method you can easily check the passwords of the connected Wi-Fi in your smartphone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.